Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm here in Jakarta in our Build to Change Day. CA, we're having our Build to Change Day in Jakarta today, and we're very happy that we are actually live on Facebook, and thank you for joining us. Today in the Build to Change, we would like to share with all our customers the concept of the modern software factory. In the modern software factory, we talk about four key trends. Number one is business agility, where business need to be agile, we need to be able to react fast. We also talk about intelligent automation. We need to automate as much as possible in order to be more efficient. The next thing is we are talking about the insight. We need to know what our business is running, and we need to be able to react when something happens fast. Last but not least, we are talking about the security, end-to-end security. So at the same time, we also having our solution booth that's over there. In fact, later my colleague will join me. We will go into more detail about the solution booth. Okay. So without further ado, let me just bring you to join my colleague Jackie to share with you our solution booth. Okay. Hey Jackie.
Hey, hi.
Hi. So it's over to you to share our solution booth to the audience in the Facebook.
Thank you very much. So Mark Siang, teman-teman dari Facebook. I will be your guide for your modern software factory tours. So as you can see, we have 6 different booths that make up modern software factory, and I'll run you through some of the key innovations and solutions that we have offered for each booth. So over here we have API management. As modern software factory, I think one of the key theme is that it need to be modern, and API management anchors that transformation, whereas there is a lot of effort that goes through platform revamp transformation, and API is part of the key strategy for that transformation. So over here, if you have time to drop by the booth, come and understand one of our industry level great gateway, and if you have time as well, Martin over here, our SME for API at the booth, show you how to use our CA Live Creator to easily connect to your existing data source and create secure microservices out of your existing data sources. So that's the first booth for API management. Then we move on to automation. Obviously, modern software factory need to be automated, and if you are interested to embrace DevOps, if you need expert to help you build automated deployment pipeline, come speak to us, because core parts of technology allows you to design, allows you to automate a lot of the tedious process that you are doing today. If you need help today with some of the manual processes that you do for disaster recovery, for application release, we will help you, and we can help you simplify a lot of all this process through our technology, through release automation, bootload automation, and service orchestration. Now move on to the third one. Obviously, we cannot achieve full continuous delivery, full automation without quality, without industry-grade quality injected into the deployment pipeline. And continuous testing anchor that message very well, as we are offering a lot of technologies. For example, if you come over here, you can see we are offering a lot of key technologies in the space of service visualization. Part of the portfolio of the products allows us to mimic STUB, mainframe, core banking for the purpose of development and testing. We also offer on-demand load testing on the cloud. If you need us to generate thousands of virtual users hitting your website today, come to us, because we have the capability to inject this level of testing into your operation and testing activities. Then we move on to agile operation. Follow me. Agile operation, as you can see the booth here, the key focus is customer experience. The ability to, if you come closer to here, you can see that a lot of emphasis of agile operation is emphasized on user experience, understanding what device are they logging in from, which location are they from, how long they're spending on the site, and understanding customer retention rate. And that is also part of what we do, is that understanding the user experience for the user. If they do hit the problem, immediately through our technology, we are able to triage to say that if a user facing a 10-second response time on a website, we can triage the user, say whether it's an application, network or system problem. And we can even drill down from mobile to mainframe through our cross-stitching technology for end-to-end transaction tracing. Okay, that's a jump operation. Then finally we moved, not finally, but to security. Obviously, modern software factory need to be secure. So one of the core theme and key technology space in security is how easy it is for us to quickly secure your key assets and key critical servers through the CA privilege access management. Our technology are all appliance-based. It's cost effective, fast to deploy into an environment to easily secure a key infrastructure environment for all the protected servers. And if you come closer, we also give you the chance to understand some of the key innovations that we're having in the identity management space and access management space. So the key theme is that to balance security and user experience to a way that's manageable. Move on to the last but not least, mainframe. We understand today mainframe still runs the world, and CA Technologies are putting a lot of emphasis and effort and investment to actually continue to innovate in the space of mainframe. One of the key themes and products that we introduced this year will be mainframe operational intelligence that allows us to collaborate data from different sources, apply machine learning on top of it, so that we are able to predictively predict some of the oncoming issues, alerts the right person to actually action on it. There is also one of the key technologies, dynamic capacity intelligence, to understand where's the load are coming from and distribute the load accordingly to the right resources, so that we are able to better plan for capacity for future planning. So this is a very quick walkthrough, modern software factory, what we do end to end, from the space of modernization to DevOps to testing to monitoring to security and finally to mainframe. Okay, I'll move back to Nick. I've done the software.
Hey, hi, thank you.
Okay.
Let's come here and then let's see what question we have. First of all, thank you for actually showing the audience on all our solution booth. So let's see what are the questions that we have, and we maybe can answer some questions.
Okay, give me a second because I need to log into the slide. Okay, we have a lot of friends that join us on Facebook, as I can see, and some of the questions that's posted, Nick, on Facebook.
Yes.
Is question number 1. You mentioned the 4 key pillars: agility, automation, insights, and security of the modern software factory. So where should organization start first?
Okay, that's a very good question. Anyway, thank you very much. In fact, if you look at, I would say that these are the 4 key trends or the 4 key principles that actually in the modern software factory. But however, different organizations have different needs and different requirements. There's not necessarily one particular when you need to start in a particular discipline or particular trend. It depends on their requirement, it depends on the impact and the priority of your business. So you can start, some company, if you think that security is an area that they need to actually look into enhance, they can start with security, or they can also start with to be more agile, they can start with the agile management solution.
There's a very comprehensive response there.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll move on to the next question.
Yep.
How does CA Solutions fit into the modern software factory?
CA solution, of course, CA, we actually came up with this blueprint on the modern software factory, and then this is built based on the years of our experience with our customer, and also looking at the market trend and looking at, so that's how we actually came up with all our solution is designed based on the modern software factory concept. Or like for example, you can see from our solution book, we have the agile operation, we have the APIM, we have the mainframe, we have the security. All this is surrounding and in the solution that actually help the company to be ready for the modern software factory.
So my own question to Nick is that, in your view, personal view,
Sure.
do you think that we are the only vendor out there in the space that's capable to execute on this vision?
Of course.
Of course, that's
Of
a
course.
good answer.
Actually,
Obviously.
actually, we are today CA. We are the only company in the world that actually are able to actually address the modern software factory. As we mentioned, all the business today business, every business is a software business. So you need the software to run your business. That's why you need a modern software factory. Any other questions?
Okay, due to time constraint, maybe I'll take one final question from the list. Is that
Okay,
okay?
sure.
This last question is an interesting question which always on the mind a lot of IT executives. What about mainframe? I think different people have different view to this. What about mainframe? How does it fit into the modern software factory blueprint?
Well, mainframe. Very good question. Mainframe is just as a platform. Mainframe have been around for a long time. A lot of the world's biggest bank, insurance, we still depend running on mainframe for processing. So mainframe definitely is a very key component of the part of our mainframe solution, part of the modern software factory. In fact, recently we just announced or we just launched 3 new solutions for our mainframe for the mainframe platform. One of them, for example, is mainframe operation intelligence, where help to actually build in artificial intelligence, AI, and the machine learning capability for people, for the organization to manage and to actually run their mainframe more intelligently and able to actually provide a better customer experience. So with that, I think together we would like to thank everyone that's watching and hope to see you next time. But before we go, please look at the below. We have a free trial that you can actually click on. We have a free trial site. You can actually click on it. If you any of the things that you like, that you see, that you hear today, please visit our free trial page and go for a trial. Thank you very much.
If you like what you see, like the link and share it with your friends. Yeah, welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.